Hey there, thanks for dropping by the channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of my all-time favorite things in my house. And it's not this Timmy's mug, although I do love me some Timmy's. It's the Ember Smart Mug version 2, which I've had for almost a year now, and I've absolutely loved it, eh? Let me tell you what I've been liking and what I don't quite like about the mug. The battery on this thing has been absolutely amazing. Almost a year later and it's still holding temperature for over an hour, which is more than enough time for me to finish my coffee. All you have to do in order to set up your mug is connect it to the Ember app. It's a beautiful app and super easy to use, eh? Like, you just select your desired temperature and you're good to go. And if you're American, you can even switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You bunch of weirdos. Now, I enjoy my coffee at a solid 57 degrees Celsius, and I stuck a thermometer in it, and that's what it read, right on the dot. Now, I have had some issues getting the app to connect to the mug, though. Luckily, once it's connected and all set up, there really isn't much of a reason to open it back up, eh? It just kind of does what it's supposed to. It'll heat up your beverage to whatever temperature you put in before. Once you're done with your Ember mug, you just wash it in the sink, not the dishwasher, and put it on its charger. To be completely honest with you guys, the app being hit or miss is the only problem I've had with this device. It's a wonderful product. Now, there are some things about this mug that I absolutely love that I didn't even think about. The mug has a rubber ring around the base which prevents it from sliding around and gives a little cushion. The mug is also cool to the touch even if you've got lava hot liquid inside, so you never have to worry about burning your hand on a hot mug. And there's a customizable LED light at the base that can help you tell your mug from someone else's if they're the same color. Although, me and the missus, we just use it because we think the colors are cool. So would I buy this product again if I needed to? Oh, you betcha. This thing has completely changed the way we drink coffee around the house. In fact, we don't even use any of the other mugs in our cupboard. They're taking up space. That's all they're doing. So the Ember Mug version 2, in my humble opinion, is getting an A+. If this review's helped you in any way, please subscribe. It helps us out a ton. If not, I still hope you have a great day and take care.